As of creation time of this video, there are over 10 million cases of COVID-19 with over 500,000 deaths all over the world. This pandemic has taken toll of the global economy, with major cities placed under lockdown for months. So today, we are going to talk about the reasons of the spread of COVID-19. Number 1. The last major pandemic happened over 100 years ago. Over the past few decades, we have heard of infectious diseases such as Ebola, SARS, MERS, and HIV. But the most fatal pandemic of the last century was the Spanish flu, which had an estimate of 500 million cases and 50 million deaths. And since it happened over 100 years ago, nation leaders are now on unfamiliar territories on battling this pandemic. Number 2. Lack of support to WHO. This is closely related to the first item. Unfortunately, the World Health Organization lacks support from its member countries, and in turn, they have not been as effective as we expect them to be. After overcoming this pandemic, for sure there will be changes, and we hope that it will be for the better. Number 3. Globalization. Countries have become more connected because of trade, tourism, and affordable air travel. Unfortunately, this is also the major cause of the spread of the virus. From China, the disease has taken its foothold to its neighboring countries, then to the Middle East, Europe, and the Americas. As of now, air travel business is plummeting, and as per estimates, it will take about 2 years before it can go back to where it used to be. Number 4. The virus started in China. Unfortunately, the Chinese government has been known to suppress the freedom of speech and for its secrecy to the international community. However, as they tried to cover up and tone down the real situation in Wuhan, precious time was put to waste as the virus spread to its other cities and later to the other countries. We in Infoversa have nothing against the Chinese, but I believe that the Chinese government is at fault for the mishandling of the situation. European countries such as Italy and Germany are charging China for billions of dollars for damages. Meanwhile, the Chinese government now claims that they have been swift in handling the pandemic. Number 5. The Chinese appetite for exotic foods. The Chinese are known for having a wide variety of ingredients for their cuisine, from shark's fins to bugs and even to bats, which is allegedly the source of the new virus. Although there are other theories about the origin of the virus. But let us focus on the Chinese appetite for exotic foods, as this might be the reason again for the start of another pandemic in the future, if they will not stop the practice. So folks, those are the reasons of the global spread of COVID-19. Post your comments if you think there are other factors for the spread of the virus, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so you will be notified on our next video. Thank you.